Today I'm going to be painting my little blob character, which nobody has seen. You haven't seen it. No one has seen it yet. So no one knows a blob is probably. So a blob is a bunch of something which you put into a shape and make a character out of it. Add details and you have a blob character. So that's what I made. I'm going to show you all the blobs right now and film the painting process. The making of it, I did try, but I did. Yeah, the clay is actually good. The one that I used, don't remember what it's called, with some foreign clay. Use their drying clay. So let me just start before anyone gets bored and tired of this. Okay, so what really are blobs? These things. I've made three blobs. As you can see, that one's ugly. But wait, why is it all blue? So this is not my first time making a blob. Let me just go to the first time of me making a blob. Okay, this is the first blob I have ever created here. So, as you can see, it's a unicorn. This whole theme is unicorn. Okay, let me just. This unicorn is the basic one. I didn't give her a proper theme. Now I think I should have, but she is the best one in all. You can see the bottom, the tail. Just saying, she's the only one here who has a tail. Look, that's a tail. That's what you're supposed to be looking at. So this is the second one, not too different to the first one. Hey, what's a little shiny, green shiny in the right there, green shiny. They are different. This one hasn't got any ugly thing on her face. She has. I'll tell you how that came later. Last one is her. This one is brown. So that's actually the real story of why this Blobicon, yes, I'm calling Blob Unicorn Blobicon, she has this on her face. Little brown patch. This came from her clay sculpting stuff. So this one has a theme. Can anyone guess the theme of this? See what's on her head. I actually like her a lot, but she doesn't have a tail. It's very small and it broke off the next day. You can see all this ugly stuff on her back. I'll tell you what that is later. I'm just going to sand all these blobs. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this or what, but I've got sandpaper, so I should do it, right? Okay, lesson learned. Never sand a drawing clay because it comes off. I thought I could make it all neater, but it's literally falling off. Okay, so now I just have to start painting. I have thought of a theme and everything in advance, so it should be easier with her. I did try to sand it also, the foot especially. Okay, so this is what I've got. All the colors, I said this is going to be normal one. I love this pink, it's so nice. And this green. This is orange, not really yellow, but I don't like that yellow either, but it's better than this thing. This is orange, not even yellow. So this is the normal unicorn. I call these the unicorn colors. It's basically pink, green, yellow and blue, which I paint. That's why I made her 4 stripes. Also, I love to make a bit ahead, so I'll just start. I did my hand in pink by mistake, so I don't like that cheek. I'm going to just paint over it later. Uh, have I done something wrong? Is this a bad shade of green? I'll just fix this green and do something with it. I've got my crusty paint palette. I never clean these things, so I'm going to add some yellow. You can hardly see because it blends in. I add some green and a little bit of white. And oh wait, there's more yellow in the green. You know what? I actually like that shade. Does it look that different from the real thing? No, but it's better, I think. Okay, so let me just. Okay, the shade is different. I like it. It's a nice lime. Wait, a lime? I think it's a lime green. And I am not really looking. I'm just looking at it through the phone thing. So it's not that great. I'll have to do a lot of touch-ups and blah 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 blah. Okay, so it's not that pretty. I'll just continue adding. Oh, this isn't. This is not helping. Looking worse in camera. It's actually, I think it's a bit better. Wait, the yellow. This area right here where the green went into yellow. No. Okay, so I took it off the newspaper, and you know what? I don't like the blue either. I didn't like the yellow. I didn't like the green, and now I don't like the blue. Also, the pink isn't very nice on camera. So this is the most ugly thing ever. Okay, so it's not done yet. It's not done. I think the tail is much neater because the tail is better. So she's the only one in the tail. That's why she has a lucky tail. That's why her tail is colored nicely. It's lucky. The hair, I was using a toothpick for most of it, and for one part, I was using a dried out brush. So I started using this one. I think this is number. You can't see because it's going to enter. I think it's number 4. Just blue layer is much neater. Screechy. Okay, Screech is a parrot here, but so this is really bad. So new one. She is a different one. You can see. This is how I can prove it. She doesn't have a tail. So I have decided on color scheme for. I gave her a theme. It just not really seen. I worked too slow on this one. One part of her hair fell off. I had to glue it back on. Another part fell off. I got lost. This part was hot glued back on. I don't know how long I'll stay for. But anyway, the horn is cracking. So my color scheme is my favorite one. This is going to be my favorite one. I've said that in all, but this is my favorite one. Color scheme. Okay. I won't need this. I may have to clean this out very soon, right now. Okay, so you can mix a color with a darker blue, lighter blue, and I'll give you a different shade, different from if you mix dark blue with white. It will be different. Don't know why. It just is. Who knows? Anyone artist? Any artist watching? Anyone? Okay. Keep this as neat as I can. What was that? The very not neat at all. So I did that off camera because it was hard enough to do without a phone in the way. So it's not done, but I can't find my gold paint, so I don't think I'll be able to paint a horn. But I do have some other color. I've got silver, so I decided to make her a night theme. So that's why I love it. Not sure where though. Oh, I know where. And now I'm having a problem doing such miniatures. I can't paint such a small star. That is not a star. This is the most ugly star ever. I'm sure it needs a color. Oh, that's exactly what happened to that girl. Oh, brown one. Okay, new shade. Let's just see what she look like with this color. No, I like that better. The eyes, this one's very creepy, but I'll fix that later. That's the most creepy thing ever. Okay, I like this. It wasn't as bad as other green. It's not the best thing I've ever made, but it's nice. Also, these eyes, those aren't the eyes I want. You can see that looks like a demon. I don't like it. That one. And this one doesn't look like a eye. So yeah, she looks like a vampire. So I'll just fix that with my white paint. Should I make it black with white sparkles, or do I make it normal white with black eyeball? I'm gonna try both. Okay, I like that. Okay, change it out for some very ugly one that we saw before. Now, things that I have to do with her. You can see the ugly glob in her face. That's one, and how it all blends. All the colors blend into each other. That's also I don't like that pink. Did I say enough time? Yes, I did. So, why does her hair look so small? I it's okay. I'm just going to fix this little spot where it's white. I'm just going to complete this cleanup under here, on top of this here, on top of this here. Now I'm actually looking at it, so it's better. It's not really great, but I like it. It's simple, but I like this one. It's not done yet, so just wait. Okay. So I just switch it out because this one's creepy. It needs help, okay? So I given her eyes, these could always be the eyeball, but just no. I don't like it. No. Either going to be her what do you call this part of the eyes? Here I think. I don't know what you call it, but she's creepy. I'm going to continue helping, so I'm not helping much. Why does the paint make it feel heavier?